Hey guys, I'm back. I've been climbing this mountain here. I'm pretty far up in the Sierras. And I've kind of reached a point where I have to either explore this military crest or keep ascending, like through those manzanitas and up over those granite batholiths. So I thought I'd record it because it seems like it might be interesting what I might encounter approaching this granite here. Could be rattlesnakes, could be something. So look, with the snow runoff, it's no longer, but look what it's left. Probably find a lot of gold in here. A lot of quartz, a lot of rose quartz. Gold is usually in the quartz. I may look here for a bit. I'll check back in with you later. Maybe when I get up there. Alright, see you in a bit.